Welcome to the lesson in which we'll be defining the term collaborative AI as well as discuss about its importance. So in this lesson, we unravel the essence of collaborative AI, a transformative paradigm where the synergy between human intelligence and artificial intelligence takes center stage. So as we delve into the intricacies of this collaborative frontier, we'll define how AI seamlessly integrates with human capabilities, thus creating a symbiotic relationship that goes beyond traditional boundaries. So in essence, this lesson does not only clarify the conceptual foundations of collaborative AI, but also underscores its profound importance in reshaping problem-solving, decision-making, and innovation. So the first thing when it comes to defining the term collaborative AI is that it is the collaborative intelligence that represents the synergy between artificial intelligence and human capabilities. Moreover, it transcends the traditional human versus machine paradigm, thus fostering a collaborative relationship where each enhances the strengths of the other. Now let's talk about the key components of collaborative AI. First, it comes about human-AI symbiosis. So collaborative AI emphasizes a mutually beneficial relationship where human intuition, creativity, and contextual understanding complement the analytical and data processing capabilities of AI. Another key component of collaborative AI is the shared decision-making paradigm. So in this paradigm, decision-making becomes a collaborative effort, thus combining human expertise in judgment and ethics with AI's ability to analyze vast datasets and provide data-driven insights. Last but not least, adaptability and learning is another major key component of collaborative AI, where both humans and AI systems contribute to the collaboration's adaptability and learning. So human experience and intuition merge with AI's capacity to continuously learn and improve over time. Now let's discuss about why collaborative AI matters. That is essentially the importance of collaborative AI. First of all, the collaboration leverages the strengths of both humans and AI for more robust solutions. So this actually leads to enhanced problem solving. Another reason is that combining human creativity with AI efficiency enhances overall productivity. Last but not least, the ethical and responsible AI use emphasizes the importance of ethical considerations and human oversight. Now let's discuss the synergy achieved through collaborative AI and how the collaboration amplifies the strengths of both humans and AI. First, collaborative AI empowers human creativity by providing tools and insights that extend beyond traditional problem solving. To this end, AI acts as a catalyst, thus enabling humans to explore new possibilities and push the boundaries of innovation. Then it comes to augmenting AI capabilities. So human input enhances AI capabilities by providing nuanced context, emotional intelligence, and ethical considerations. This collaboration enables AI systems to better understand complex scenarios and make more informed decisions. Moreover, together, humans and AI form a dynamic duo capable of adapting to a wide range of challenges. Human adaptability and AI's rapid data processing create a synergy that excels in navigating uncertainties and evolving landscapes. In addition to this, the collaboration accelerates decision-making processes. So human intuition combined with AI's data-driven insights results in quicker and more informed decisions, especially in scenarios where time is critical. Then it comes about to the continuous learning loop, where the synergy creates a continuous learning loop where both humans and AI evolve together. So as humans provide feedback and AI learns from experiences, the collaboration becomes increasingly refined and effective over time. Last but not least, achieving synergy in collaborative AI is not merely a sum of its parts, but an exponential unlocking of potential. It is actually a journey where the collaborative whole surpasses the individual contributions, thus creating a transformative force in problem solving and decision making. Of course, this has certain challenges and considerations. For example, ethical considerations, where collaborative AI introduces these ethical considerations surrounding data privacy, bias, and the responsible use of technology. So striking a balance between innovation and ethical practices is crucial to building trust and ensuring positive outcomes. Moreover, establishing trust between humans and AI systems poses a challenge. Transparency in AI decision-making, explainability, and clear communication about the roles of both humans and AI contribute to building this essential trust. In addition to this, effective collaboration between AI researchers, domain experts, ethicists, and other stakeholders is necessary. So, bridging the gap between technical understanding and real-world implications ensures a holistic and ethical approach to collaborative AI. Bias mitigation is another challenge, where the integration of AI with human processes requires careful consideration to mitigate biases present in training data. So proactive measures, transparency, and ongoing monitoring are essential for addressing bias issues. Another major challenge is job displacement concerns, where the integration of AI may lead to concerns about job displacement. So addressing these concerns involves fostering a transition to roles that emphasize human skills complemented by AI, thus promoting workforce adaptability. Also, security challenges is another major challenge where collaborative AI introduces new security challenges, thus including the protection of sensitive data and safeguarding against adversarial attacks. To this end, robust cybersecurity measures are essential to ensure the integrity and confidentiality of collaborative systems. Now, while collaborative AI holds immense potential, addressing these challenges requires a delicate balance between innovation and responsibility. So, proactive consideration of ethical, social, and technical aspects is fundamental to navigating this evolving landscape.